Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make delicious creme brulee for your boba drinks. First, let's gather our essential ingredients: fresh heavy cream, egg yolks, granulated sugar, and a touch of vanilla extract. You'll also need a kitchen torch, some ramekins, and a saucepan. Don't forget to prepare your boba pearls ahead of time, following their package instructions so they are perfectly chewy and ready to go. Now, let's craft that silky smooth custard. Gently heat 2 cups of heavy cream with about 1/4 cup of granulated sugar in a saucepan until it's warm but not boiling. In a separate bowl, whisk 4 egg yolks with 2 tablespoons of sugar until the mixture becomes pale and creamy. Slowly, and I mean slowly, temper the warm cream into the egg yolks, whisking constantly. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that irresistible aroma and taste. Next, we'll bake and chill our creme brulee. Pour the custard mixture evenly into 4 to 6 ramekins. Place these ramekins into a larger baking dish, then fill the dish with hot water, creating a water bath. Bake this at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes. The custard should be set around the edges, but still have a slight jiggle in the center. Once cooled, chill your creme brulee for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. Finally, the exciting part: assembly and torching. First, spoon a generous amount of your perfectly cooked boba pearls into the bottom of your serving glass. Then, carefully scoop a generous portion of the chilled creme brulee on top of the boba. Sprinkle 1 to 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar evenly over the custard's surface. Now, grab your kitchen torch and caramelize that sugar until it's a beautiful, golden brown, crunchy crust. Enjoy your homemade creme brulee boba.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.